Hello and welcome back. We are in module 11 and learning how to sort data in Excel. So far we have learned to sort data based on sorting applied on a single column. Now let's learn how to do multi-level sorting. We will use this sales report from 1st Jan to 3rd Jan 2018. Let's see what are the columns available in this particular report to perform sorting actions. So apart from serial number, we have date, invoice number, customer, product, quantity, unit price, and total price. And then the data is organized as of now date wise, invoice number wise, followed by customer, product, quantity, and the pricing information. So let's sort this data with customer as the first level of sorting field. I'm going to select this range, all the range that has data in it. Go to data tab on main menu and then click on sort button. Here you will see my data has headers has already been ticked, and you will be able to see the headers even though I have not chosen the headers. This is because I have been working on this sheet and this was my choice earlier. So Excel has taken that choice by default. I'm going to cancel this just for explaining to you. We must always select the header row and select the data if you are going to select the entire range of data, and then click on sort. Now after doing that, make sure this is ticked and select the column which you want to sort by. So in this case we are going to sort by customer. I'm going to click OK. The sort on is cell values, it remains as it is, and by default the order is A to Z. That is also fine with us. So I have clicked on OK. Now this data has been sorted customer wise. So first you see all sales related to customer A, followed by B, C, D, E, F, then H and Q. Although it gives us information, for example, we can see that customer A has purchased product B, D, A and C, and these are the invoice numbers, invoice 4, 7 and 13, and these are the values. However, we can perform further sorting on customer level to get some more meaningful information, and let's do that now. So once again I'm going to select the range, click on sort, and this time we are going to keep the first sorting, which is the first level, and add a level by clicking on this button. So I'm going to add this level and let's select product. So what we are doing is we are sorting the data as customer wise followed by product wise, and we will keep this sort on as cell values and order as A to Z and click on OK. So now the information is sorted a little bit better. Now you know that customer A has purchased product A, B, C and D. Product A has been purchased in so and so quantity, this is the value, and so on for customer B, C and other customers. Let's see how else we can sort the data customer wise as the primary field. I have selected the range. I'm going to click on sort. Now we have customer as the primary field of sorting. When you are on this particular selection of customer and you add a level, the level will get added below this particular level. So when I click on add a level, the level gets added between customer and the product, and this time I'm going to select total price and the order would be largest to smallest. This particular level may or may not be useful. Let's see. We'll click on OK and see how this works out. So now we have the information. Let's select only one particular customer to analyze the data. So we know that customer A has chosen product C the most in terms of value, followed by product D, A and B. Similarly, we can analyze the information about customer B, C and other information. Now the third level of sorting which was applied over here was the product level, which may not be relevant because the second level of sorting actually nullifies the sorting done by the product level. There is no sorting here unless and otherwise two values are the same. Let's say product D value was 35,000 and product C value was also 35,000. Then yes, then you would see a further sorting within these two rows. So this is how multi-level sorting can be performed. Let's take one more example, and this time we are going to sort using the product. So I'm going to select this range And what we will do is, instead of customer wise sorting, we will sort by product, and for that we are going to bring this particular level up by using this arrow key which says move up. So now our primary sorting column is product followed by customer, and let's see what this is going to give us. I'm going to click OK, and so the product A, let us select the product A. These are the sale done for product A. We can see that the product A was purchased by customer A, B, D and F, and these are the quantities and these are the corresponding invoice numbers. So the first level of sorting was product, second level was customer, and the third level was price. Now let's do some further working here by sorting, and this time we are going to bring the price up and click on OK. So this sorting gives us, for example, for product A, who had purchased the maximum amount of product A, and that was customer D. The second invoice was also for customer D. So this is how you can do multi-level sorting and get some meaningful information out of the raw data that you have in Excel. A point to note is that sorting, whether it is simple sorting or multi-level sorting, gives only visual analysis. For example, if we want to see product A was purchased by which customer, or the other way around, if we sort by customer, which customer purchased what product. It's just a visual analysis. You will be able to see that data. Sorting will not perform any calculation by itself. So this is the advantage as well as disadvantage of sorting. It helps you quickly analyze some information without performing some calculation.